Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a different language keyboard on your MacBook. This is useful if you type in multiple languages or need special keyboard characters. Your Mac already includes dozens of language keyboards built in. You just need to enable the one you want. First, click the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. Inside System Settings, scroll down and click Keyboard. Then, under Text Input, look for Input Sources. Now, click Edit. Then, click on the plus button over here. A list of available languages you can browse on will appear. Select the language keyboard you want to add. Then, click Add. After adding it, you'll see the keyboard icon with letter A near the top right corner of your screen. Click it anytime to switch between languages. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and space to switch faster. Now let's add another language with special keyboard characters. Now open any app and try typing to test the keyboard. Your Mac should now use the new language keyboard layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a different language keyboard on your MacBook. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.